The Thermalright Grand Vision 360 offers impressive cooling performance with its all-black nano-painted aluminum fin radiator and polymer protective water pipe, ensuring high cooling efficiency and longevity. This water cooler features a unique 3.4-inch IPS LCD screen that provides excellent visual clarity and supports customizable static and dynamic picture displays. Equipped with 3 high-performance fans, each capable of 2,150 revolutions per minute, this cooler effectively manages heat while adding a stunning ARGB lighting effect. The product design incorporates thoughtful details like soft silicone corner pads to minimize vibration, combined with S-FDB V2 bearings for smooth and quiet operation. Installation is straightforward with comprehensive compatibility across multiple CPU platforms, including AMD and Intel, facilitated by included mounting fasteners. The cooler's software allows for real-time data monitoring and customization of the LCD screen, providing users with enhanced control and system integration.